Hi friends, in this video, I am going to discuss salary structure of Capgemini company. Please be till end of this video if you don't want to miss any details. I will be discussing every part of Capgemini salary structure in this video. So continue watching this video till end. So let us discuss something about the company. What do you think about nationality of Capgemini? Well, Capgemini is a French-based, service-based MNC with headquarters in France. So I will be talking about salary of consultant in Capgemini. It is details I have got from close friend of mine. He has shared salary slips of Capgemini with me. His experience is of 5 years. So I will be discussing his salary now. CTC offered to him was 16.5 lakh. So according to his 5 years of experience, he is getting 3.3 lakh per annum per year according to his experience. So in industry, if you are getting more than 2.5 lakh per year of experience according to your experience, then you are getting paid well. Basic salary monthly, he told me was around 47,898, and yearly it is 5,74,776 with monthly HRA or 28,776 with yearly of 3,44,868. Monthly PF contribution by the employer is 5,748 and yearly it is 68,976, which is close to 70,000. And if you serve the company for long duration, you will be given gratuity also of around 27,000 roughly. And there are some allowances and reimbursement which help in tax saving. And you can select uh, out of these. One is other allowances and reimbursement one, other allowances and reimbursement two. So each part of these have different components. So you can choose any one component out of these, one of these of each of these one and two. So ORA one or other allowance and reimbursement one is yearly of 3,15,600, and other allowances and reimbursement two or OR2 is around 3,10,332 yearly. So let us discuss the details of other allowance and reimbursement one or ORA one. So you can choose any one of them and ask your HR to include it in your package. So the remote working allowance is of 36,000 per month, sorry, per year, and books and journals are 36,000 per year. For professionals pursued, you are giving 1,80,000 per year. Conveyance allowance is around 63,600 per year. You can get paid for traveling to different parts according to for company. Let us discuss about ORA 2. Like ORA 1, it is also part of your salary and it helps you in saving taxes. So you can choose any one of them. So like leave travel allowance assistant or leave travel assistance as we call it is 60,000 per year, and meal card is around 26,400 per year. And besides this, vehicle and driver reimbursement are also given, which are around 39,600.